Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at arctechshomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Thursday morning forecast update. It is going to turn into another gorgeous day, but we do have the temperatures running a little bit colder this morning, as most of us before 10 a.m. here will be in the 40s and 50s. So one of those mornings, grab a jacket and take it with you, but it will turn into a warm afternoon for most of us in East Texas and Louisiana, as your highs today will be in the mid to upper 70s, so it'll actually feel warm out there for a few hours, and just a pleasant day through I-30. As we'll likely wind up in the low 70s today in Texarkana. No rain in that forecast today, but we are expecting clouds to increase a little bit later this afternoon, this evening, and there is a slight chance of rain perhaps tonight across the northern Arctex, and we'll just see slight rain chances here in the upcoming days, expecting it will be pretty nice Friday as well. So look at your satellite and radar here across the region. There's a little disturbance, that area of low pressure that's back to our northwest, which is going to start to pull some of that cloud cover in later today, but it will be much later, so we expect there will be quite a bit of sunshine out there through the morning, and you can see the clouds starting to pick up a little bit later today north of I-30. I have included just a 10% chance of rain tonight as well as tomorrow, so we'll see this little disturbance kind of settle across the northern Arctex. And notice the weather pattern tomorrow. We'll see some clouds across the region, so we very well will start out the day mostly cloudy, but we'll likely see a little bit of sun pop through, and just that slight chance of rain, mainly north of I-30 on your Friday. And what will happen as we move into the weekend, I'll widen out the shot for you there. You can see we do have a little bit of rain that's going to be making its way in on Saturday. Now, Futurecast here is showing it pretty early in the day. There is a chance the rain will maybe be a little bit later, but we do have that 20-30% chance of rain in the Saturday forecast. But if you do have outdoor plans in most locations, it looks like we'll be okay here through the day on Saturday. Pretty warm day. We'll be in the 70s, and this is a cold front that will be kind of pushing through the region early Sunday morning there, and you can see some of the rain developing with that front, which is why we've also included that slight chance of rain on Sunday as well. And the timing here is not set in stone, so right now it looks like this front will move through pretty quickly, which means the temperatures will be cooler on Sunday. We're usually typically pretty slow to clear out after these fronts, so I do think we'll still have some clouds around on Sunday, but it actually turns into what will be a fairly comfortable afternoon in most locations, and again, very light rainfall accumulations, but our highs will likely drop back into the 60s on Sunday after being in the upper 70s on Saturday. The latest look, Tropical Storm Eta. This will probably be the last day that we have to give you updates on this. It has moved into northern Florida. We'll be moving up towards the Jacksonville area and bringing some rain up towards the Carolinas as well today, but by the weekend here, in fact, by later tomorrow, it should be off the eastern seaboard here, so we can finally put Tropical Storm Eta to rest here. They've been talking about it for about the last week and a half, but that will be kind of out of the way as we go into the upcoming weekend. But for us, our weekend will include that slight chance of rain, temperatures in the 70s through Saturday. We do drop into the 60s with a breezy wind on Sunday, so Sunday may very well turn into a pretty chilly day for us, but just gorgeous weather next week. It'll be a little bit cooler, but it looks like we'll be dry Monday through Friday with highs in the 60s and 70s, so pleasant afternoons and chilly mornings for much of next week.